Welcome to the Kantas.
We begin with our very first category. Have you seen, man, each frame of this movie is so long. It is longer than the queue of people wanting to get out of that movie halfway through. It's almost like the director said, hey, camera chalu rakh. Abhi aayega expression. Abhi aayega. She's done a damn good job of acting, like Arjun Rampal. She's not being able to meet her own expenses. Ask me why. Because in the movie, she's the director whose film wins critical acclaim. Bollywood जानता है कि या तो critical acclaim इकट्ठे कर लो या बैंक में पैसे. No, but you know, people were saying, what was she thinking choosing to do Roy? देखो उसकी choice की बात तो करो मत. Her choice of boyfriend was Sajid Khan. If I was that desperate, I would still choose a dildo over Sajid Khan. I would, because see, both has dicks. But at least with a dildo, you can hope for an intelligent conversation. He blamed her for the failure of Himmat Wala. And just to prove that iske bina main kitna successful hu, he went and made Hum Shakals. He's a sweet guy, just that he can be such a dick. No woman will ever give him a blowjob. Because she won't know what end to start with. Exactly. Pehle to I couldn't believe he did this movie. There was no car flying and exploding in the air. There was no heroine looking at his Devgan. Look at his face. He's already going sting kara dunga. He's like basically people, he knew he had the job to, like he had to act like common man. So he actually took it so seriously, he spent the whole movie trying to look like Arvind Kejriwal. Trying to look like Arvind Kejriwal, who had seen someone drive an odd number ka gaadi on an even number ka day. I have seen Ajay Devgan give more lusty looks to a packet of women pan masala. That's why one of his daughters in the movie is actually adopted. Because his wife would have taken one look at him and said, "Rehne do, tumse na ho paega." Vodafone ought to sign him up, man. Because, you know, forget the choti of the Himalaya and the Godi of the Sahara, inka signal to underwater bhi chalu rehta hai. Why Maneka Gandhi loves him so much? Like, he's actually Maneka Gandhi's favorite hero. Ask me why. Because both of them love puppies. Okay, how many of you guys saw this movie? Remember, you really watch all the shitty films, don't you? Only the shitty ones. किसी को तो पैसे बनाने ही है. Do you remember his introductory scene? His introductory scene was Ranbir Kapoor holding him up with a fake gun. Poking him with a fake gun. Now, given the amount, this man has been poked. If there is anyone who knows the difference between a real gun and a fake gun, it is our man. He's such a polite gangster, guys. There is actually a scene in the movie where Ranbir Kapoor speaks faulty English. This man steps out onto his balcony to laugh at him. He is so polite. What's the worst threat a gangster like that can make? Eh, teri mummy ko bataunga. But I love him, man. I love him. You know, there is actually one piece of villainy because at some point I think Anurag Kashyap decided, yaar, villain banaya, kuch to karwaun. Our man actually shoots Anushka Sharma point blank. And she still doesn't die. It makes me wonder if all his guns fire blanks. And of course, course he can play a 50-year-old bachelor, which is what he was doing, because it's believable. Ladies, how many of you honestly are willing to have any kind of foreplay with that 2.5 kilo ka haath? Is your husband with you right now? Actually, at this point, Parmeet said he looked at Archana Puran Singh. It's amazing, okay? Now, this guy is actually playing a Wall Street banker. I'm just thinking, casting Sunny Deol in a romantic comedy. Like, his idea of foreplay is holding your hand and going, panja ladaigi. I'm not kidding. Try footsie with him. Galti se pair chhu gaya, he'll go, Jai Mata Di. Fans of Kangana in the audience? Curly hair, kuch bonding tha. But Kangana... I meant this curly hair. Stop it. Kangana, the method actor that she is, spent a month. You know, she's a music teacher in the movie. She spent a month learning the body language and expressions of musicians. Sunny Deol took that month to learn to tie a tie. And not call it Wall Street. I'm just curious that why is it in Bollywood that 60-year-old guys still get to be heroes in movies, whereas your poor Karishma and Juhi are selling kurkure and cornflakes on TV? No, but there is one honest frame in this movie, guys. There is one honest frame where he whips off his trousers and there is reindeer on his chaddi. Guys, at his age, if there is any halchal in the kacha, hallelujah, it's Christmas. So the ghanta for the worst miscasting, any guesses? Sunny Deol? Going once? And the ghanta goes to Karan Johar.
कौन चाहिए? करीना कपूर। बजट क्या है तेरा? 2 लाख। सुन, टाइगर श्रॉफ भेज रहा हूँ, लिपस्टिक लगा दियो, सेम टू सेम है।
अच्छा
हैं? 40 की माँ चाहिए। 20 की 2 भेज रहा हूँ, एक को फिल्म में बना दियो, बाकी तेरे को पता है। 1 सेकंड फोन।
आप अवार्ड लेने आए हैं?
आप अवार्ड दे रहे हो?
आ जाएगा, इधर आ जाओ।
हाय, मुकेश चाटरा। एक्चुअली मैंने भी सक्सेस वैसी ली है, आपको तो पता ही है। अरशद वारसी साहब, आपकी नहीं लूंगा, बहुतों ने बहुत लेनी है, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के आ रहा हूं मैं। अवार्ड दे रहे हो?
सर, प्रिटेंड अवार्ड ही ले लो। हाँ, थैंक यू वेरी मच। गिव इट अप फॉर
अरे मैडम, हेलो।
दिस इज
फेसबुक पे कान फाड़ अभिलाष, कभी कोई भी ऑडिशन करना हो बात कर लेना, ठीक है? पर्सनल में नंबर मैं देता हूँ अभी आपको। थैंक यू फॉर द अवार्ड भाई साहब। सॉरी मैडम, मेरा 4G कनेक्शन खराब हो रखा है, प्लीज एक बार देख लेना यार। हाँ, तो मेरी बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है यार, जो कास्टिंग वास्टिंग के साथ म्यूजिक बंद कर दे, आ गया मैं, बस करे, मिल गया अवार्ड। इनकी अलग चुल होती है, आगे बंदा म्यूजिक अपना। 2-4 मौके मिलते हैं इनको आपकी तरह डायलॉग देने के। मनीष पॉल जी हैं सर, नसीर सर आप भी आ गए। आपसे आपकी डिग्री असली है ना सर, पक्का NSD की? ये देखो कितना असर है, इसको देख लो आप बाहर निकलते ही। मेरा बड़ा कास्टिंग में बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है आजकल। ऐसे फोन कर देते हैं, बोलते हैं डायन चाहिए हफ्ते के अंदर। मैंने कहा भाई हनीमून पे गई है, हनीमून से तो आने दे। हैं जी, दोनों क्या कर रहे होंगे? एक दूसरे के एब्स, और तो कोई काम है नहीं, मर्दानी है कि नहीं है? वैसे अगर आपको पता ही नहीं लगा किसकी बात हो रही है। अच्छा, बीवी भी तो आपकी ऐसी है। ये परवीन जी बड़ी दिक्कत हो जाती है। वैसे अगर डायन कोई अर्जेंट चाहिए तो करवा दें, हैं? डन डील है, बहुत बढ़िया। अच्छा, वो अनाउंसमेंट है, जिनकी गाड़ी पार्किंग लॉट में नहीं है वो हटा लें। रोहित शेट्टी आ गया अपनी नेक्स्ट फिल्म की लॉट की कास्टिंग करने। ओए MH302, तू हटा ले, तू पक्का बेटा ये देख रहा है यहाँ पर। मैडम 4G कनेक्शन प्लीज एक बार देख लेना है।